Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela the Traveling Crafter, and hey, we aren't doing any junk journaling today. In fact, we are going to bling out this pair of shoes, Energy Life shoes that I picked up. They were new with tags at a thrift shop, and they're light as a feather, and I wanted them to travel with, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So while I take these shoelaces out, I will do a little, oh, see, the stuff's still in them. Oops, I thought I took them out. Well, I guess I didn't. We'll do a little story time, and I'll tell you why I decided to do this on camera. Looks like there's a little dirt on there. I could have got that from my desk, quite honestly. So, Dave and I are taking a trip. We go about every 3 months to see our friend Jeff, who lives in Biloxi, Mississippi. Well, the other night, I had all my outfits picked out, by the way, and mostly packed. But the other night, he texted us, and his girlfriend it's her birthday coming up, and she is having a pajama party birthday, which means that we are going out to dinner in our pajamas. Now, I have some cute pajamas, but I was like, I don't want to wear pajamas that I wear to bed out and about. So I bought a cute little pair of pajamas, little silk pair of pajamas with some cream-colored ruffles on the sleeves and on the legs. They're about this color. And I bought a little robe, found it at Walmart online, hoping it will be here tomorrow before I have to leave and go meet Dave. If not, well, I'll have to figure out a plan B. So then I was like, well, again, I'm not wearing slippers out to dinner. So I had a bunch of this stuff that was, you know, like shoe blingy things that I had ordered, not because of this. I had ordered it just because I wanted them. And it came the other day. This is all from Temu. So I got these cute shoestrings. Again, not because I intended to use them on these shoes. I had another pair of shoes I was going to use them on. And I ordered these little pink ones that are ribbon. But I think these might not tie these shoes up well enough. So I thought, well, this is just all coming together perfectly. So when I was looking, oh, now wait a minute. There's something I need to put on here. Time out. Let me show you what I got in this thing. Okay, this is a bag of, I had ordered these two and I was going to bling out the other pair of shoes. These are like gibbets, like what you would put in a pair of Crocs, and they're plastic. So, I mean, I could pop them off and I could find another way to use them on here, but I'm just going to keep these separate. But I did pick up some, these are little pearls. I'll show you how they work. There's some little pearl bows that clip on, so we could use those. But there's also some of these things that you can clip on. I think that, I don't know. Well, I guess we're going to find out. And then I had these that, this is from an old necklace. And so I thought we could use those. But in here somewhere was a little, here it is. It's a little heart. I don't know if this is going to fit through here, but we're going to try it. And so I thought on this one, I would put this little heart. Nope, not going to fit. Boogers. All right, no worries. We'll just lace them up. So anyway, on with the story. Come on now, you got to work. There we go. So without planning much of anything, I decided, well, I've got these pink colored things coming. They hadn't even gotten here at that point. I'm like, well, if they show up, I'll get a pink pair of pajamas. And then that, problemo solved. And now I'm on this thing about sustainability and not buying things new. But I did it because, you know, every once in a while, you got to do what you got to do. So here we go. And I thought, well, you know, maybe you too want to bling out your kicks. So we'll do this together. See what happens. I think what I'll do is, so that you guys aren't bored out of your minds, because I don't know that I'm going to have time to, well, maybe I will. If I edit this, it will be sped up. If not, hang out with me. Holy cannoli. That's the longest I've ever taken to lace up a pair of shoes. Okay, they are done. My OCD kicked in. I had to take this one out and redo it. So we're going to leave these if we decide to do them. I don't think I'll do both. I don't know, but we'll do those last. So we're just going to start putting a few things on here. I wanted one of these pins on one of them, and I wanted that heart, or the star, what was it? No, heart on the other one, but that's not going to cut it because it wouldn't go through. So we got that on there. Now, could you make these yourselves? Yes, we just made some of these safety pin things not too long ago. So, yeah, you could, and you don't need to spend a lot of money. But, what could we put on here? Oh, this. Now, this, I think I can get... See, this one is also a, whatever you call those things, a gibbets. But I think... Is it gibbets or... It's gibbets. I think it's gibbets. I don't know. Somebody that has kids that have them in their shoes. Well, adults have them in their shoes too. What are they called? I think it's gibbets. See if we use this. If we can get it to stand there. Now, how many of these do you think are going to last all night long? I don't know what we're doing, but I know we are going to dinner. Half of them are probably going to fall off by the time that we go out. All right. What's this? I think these need to go on here somewhere. And I don't want a ton of them on there. A few. Oh, you know what would be cute is to put one. We'll put one on each of these. I think, let's see, let's look at this. Do we want this on there? It is kind of cute. It's not a very big lobster claw. Maybe just on one. We'll see. Here's a gold bow. That would be cute right there. I'm not sure I'm loving that. I do have these, which I think are super might just be just too much. Let's do this. Let's just put it on there and see. I think this is going to drive me crazy if I'm walking around with these things going back and forth. And all right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in this bag. I'm going to take them with me because I decided I'm only taking one pair of tennis shoes. I had another pair of, I have an outfit that is green and pink. And I had my Adidas shoes that I was going to wear with them. And now I think I'm not going to bring them. Because that's just too much. So I'll probably take most of this off and not wear it with, because these are my plain clothes, you know? My airport clothes. All right, the other thing I have, and I guess I could take these with if I decide I want to use them on there. Let's take this off. And let's just do them without these big pearl thingies on here. Because I'm thinking in the airport, I might take these all off and not wear them on the plane. Oh gosh, now I can't get it off. There we go. All right, let's put these. I mean, I may use them. We'll pull an audible on the day of. But there's also, so now we've got 4 on here. We've got 2 on here. We need something else. Here's another. That's pretty. The problem with that love is it doesn't lay very good. But I suppose once I tie my shoes, and I can always put them on. Put all the blingy stuff on, minus these after. That's cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could match them up and do those both on there. I got plenty of options. Okay, now the last thing, I do like them like that. It's not too much. All right, the last thing that I bought, now this is really going over the top. Look at, this matches my pokey tool. Are these. Now the point of these are, there are 2 of them. So we'll just put one back in here. Here's what they're supposed to do. And see, this doesn't have like real traditional eyelet holes for your shoelaces, so it's a little bit different. This is supposed to go around the back. And around the other side. Which, okay, I have to admit, that does look pretty stinking cute. All right, that does look cute. And they're not going to fall down. So maybe on the night of, with my jammies, I think it'll be cute. What do you think? Now, here's what I would tell you. I bought all this stuff because I was going to use them totally for a different purpose. I mean, I was going to use them for shoes, but not these. But you could make all of this. If you've got a lot of junk journal jewelry or, you know, crafting supplies, use that. I could have made all of this stuff probably myself just as easily, but I didn't. So there's that. But we've got a lot of little options on how we can bling these up. And maybe maybe I'll insert a picture of my fit. I'll do a fit check, and you can see the shoes in real life with my jammy party outfit. Let's just cross our fingers that the robe will be coming as well, because I'm always cold, and I figured I needed some kind of jacket, and I didn't want to get away from the look, so that robe is going to be my jacket. We will see. So what do you think? Have you done this? Have you played around with shoe charms or other fun things? If so, let me know in the comments, and we will see you next time. Until then, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.